डियर फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं एक स्कूल का एक चैप्टर मैथमेटिक्स का पढ़ाने जा रहा हूँ। आप लोग को कुछ आइडिया दे रहा हूँ। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टीच द स्कूल स्टूडेंट a particular chapter which earlier I used to take a lot of tuitions in schools for school students, but now after a long time I have taken a chapter from mathematics, trigonometry, better say trigonometry, and that chapter I'm recording today for the young kids, very tiny children of school level, 7, 8, like that. The chapter is trigonometry. Let me share the PPT first, and then yes, let me share it so you'll understand. Where is it? Let me share. Yes. So this is the PPT. Let me go for slide sharing from the beginning. Yes. So this is trigonometry for beginners. Trigonometry for beginners is from class 7, 8. At this stage, this chapter is important, and many young students, very small children, school kids, they do not have much of idea about trigonometry and they get confused about this chapter. So I am going to make this PPT, this video, a very brief video about every few minutes for the benefit of the beginner school children, on to give the basic ideas of trigonometry. Let's go ahead. See, let me shift it this way. Yeah, yes. Yes, I put it this way. This is disturbing. See, dear students, what is trigonometry? First, let us understand what is trigonometry. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics. Okay? Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics. First, you remember this chapter of mathematics. It deals with the relationship between angles and sides of triangles, particularly right angle triangle. You remember, all of you know, the triangle has three sides, and this triangle is having three sides. And particularly in case of right angle triangle, we study this trigonometry to find the relation between angle and sides. That's what I'm going to. It's very simple. There's a relation between, say, there are three angles, right? And three sides. With each angle, with the other sides, two sides, each angle, we can find some relations. Of those relations, we can find some ratios. And that is trigonometry. Let's go inside. If any doubt or how you felt it, please put in the chat box. And you can put in I'm going to put it in the YouTube channel. You can write in the comment section. And if any other topic also you want, you can mention it in the comment section. I'll make videos. But today, let us go by trigonometry. As I have said, it's a branch of mathematics. It deals with the relationship between angles and sides of triangles. In triangle, there are three sides and three angles. And the sides and angles, there can be some relation. And here, regarding triangles, mainly it is right angle triangle, particularly. So the relation between angle and the sides, that is trigonometry. Trigonometry has application in various fields. See, generally people find it tough, but once you go inside, you study nicely, think about what is it, and you'll understand what is trigonometry. Apparently seem to be very tough, but if you understand, you'll find it easy. Now let me tell you how and where it is used. Trigonometry has a lot of applications, a lot of uses. What is used? In various fields like physics, engineering, astronomy, architecture. It helps in solving problems involving triangles and periodic phenomena. So you remember the trigonometry is used in physics, then engineering, astronomy in higher studies. So the school stage, if you have good ideas about trigonometry, in future you will be doing, say, you'll be studying astronomy, you'll be studying physics, or you'll be doing, say, engineering, then you should be getting the better application and tougher questions. But the basic, if you understand school level, it will help you. It will be a great help to you. So what is theta? That's a point. Many people, many small children, they love what is theta. In trigonometry, it's a Greek letter. And Greek language, this is Greek language. I'll be telling you something about Greek language for your knowledge. See, in English, we are having 26 letters in the alphabet, English alphabet. In Greek, how many letters? And what are the letters? I'll tell you. I'll show you. Just for your knowledge, for your interest. But now, you just remember, let us see, what is theta? Theta is a Greek letter. It's commonly used to represent an angle. It represents an angle. It's an unknown angle, the value. Like in algebra, you put, let the number be x, let the cost of production be x, let the age of father be x, like that you can take x, y, something like that, whatever you want, you can take. But to represent an angle, you take theta. It's a convention. It has been used from beginning, and people are using now also. Theta, instead of taking any other thing, it is theta. How it looks like, I've told you it's a Greek letter actually, like X. In algebra, you use X or Y or something. These are letters of English alphabet. Theta is a letter of Greek alphabet. Let me go ahead, you'll be finding. Theta is an unknown variable in trigonometry. That you remember, it's an unknown variable. We shall find the value of theta. It depends. So we shall be doing it. We shall be dealing in details. So theta, how is it written? The theta symbol is eighth letter of the Greek alphabet. Remember, in Greek there are 24 letters in Greek alphabet, and the number 8 is theta. In uppercase, in capital letters, see how it is written in capital letter, uppercase, and lowercase, a small letter is written, theta is written this way. In trigonometry, you use the lowercase, means small, this one, small letter. Upper one is this a green, it's a, it's not used, it's capital letter, you can say, and this is small letter. The small theta is used in trigonometry. So we have to get acquainted with this small theta. This is the theta. Remember, it's the eighth letter of Greek alphabet. Many children, they think, what is theta? What is it? And why are you using it? Remember, it's an unknown variable in trigonometry. You can put the values to put an unknown, it may be any value. But how it is written? This lowercase is written. Theta is the eighth letter of Greek alphabet. Remember. In Greek alphabet, dear students, there are 24 letters altogether. Here are they along with the uppercase and lowercase. I'll be showing you. It's not in any way connected to a chapter of trigonometry, but what's harm if you see the letters so that you can remember what is theta is the eighth letter, but altogether there are 24 letters in Greek alphabet. Let us see you. Just 30 seconds. These letters are used in various fields, including mathematics, science, engineering, as well as in the Greek language. This alphabet, these letters are used in Greek language, of course, like English alphabet are used in English language. In every language, there are some alphabets. And we're now just have a look at the Greek alphabets. See, these are the 14 letters, 24 letters in the Greek alphabet. Let me read out for you. And you see the number 8. Look at the number 8. That is what we are dealing with. We are studying this theta. This is relevant for our case. But just I want to show you that there are 24 letters. You can remember, yes, this theta has been taken from the 24 letters. It's the number 8 letter in Greek alphabet. There are 24 total letters in the Greek alphabet. Number, you see, let me read for you. Alpha. See, capital letter and small letter, both are written. Alpha, A is like English. Beta, B, see, capital letter and small letter. B is like English only. So English, there's a common things. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon. Number 6 is zeta. See, in bracket, two both capital letter, small letter is given. Hope you have understood. Then number 7 is eta. Number 8 is theta. And this theta, we are use sine theta, cos theta, I'll find, I'll tell you. Then iota, number 9 is iota. Number 10 is kappa. Number 11 is lambda. Both in bracket, capital letter and small letter given. And 12 number is mu. 19 number is nu. And you can say it's a xi. It's xi is in 14th. And 15 is Omicron. Omicron is 15th letter of Greek alphabet. And pi, all of you know, no? Pi, this pi is 22 by 7, you know. This is also Greek letter. The 16 number letter is used. These have been used traditionally, and this is a convention. You use that only. That's why. And pi has a value, like theta may have value. We shall teach in trigonometry about theta number 8. And 16 is pi. Pi, capital letter, small letter, both are given. We use the small letter. And 17 is rho, RH rho. Then 18, sigma. The sigma is also used in statistics, you know, sigma. Sigma is used as a final form of specific context. Sigma is used as addition and something like that. Some values are there. Mostly in mathematics, statistics, the letters or symbols that are used now, mostly coming from Greek. And in 19 is tau. 20, it is epsilon, upsilon, upsilon. Don't confuse with number 5. Number 5 is epsilon. And 20 is upsilon, upsilon. See, number 20 and number 5, almost same, little difference is there. Number 21 is phi. You might have heard is phi also. Phi also you should be getting in some mathematics somewhere. That's why I'm telling these things, because these letters are very important in mathematics, in higher mathematics, this science. The sky, number 22 is sky. We use in statistics when you will be in higher studies, you know, the chi-square test, all these things we should be learning, not in school level, but in research level and higher level. And in maybe if you study mathematics in college, universities, statistics, in statistics, we'll be getting chi-square test like that. So, and this is very important for research. Chi-square test. THI is chi-square test. So, number 23 is PSI, psi. PSI, because it's psi. And number 24 is omega. That's omega. You must have heard the word on this word omega. So these are the Greek letters, and these are very important for those who will study mathematics, statistics, etc. Some of these signs are used in mathematics and statistics, but today we shall be concentrating on number 8 only. And what is number 8? Theta. See the signs, theta. So go ahead again with trigonometry again. Dear students, trigonometry has some ratios, and let me spend 2-3 minutes on this. All of you know that there are 3 sides of a triangle, of a right angle triangle, say, of a right angle triangle, there are 3 sides. One is hypotenuse, you know, one is adjacent, and other is opposite. These 3 sides, please remember, in a triangle, in a right angle triangle, these 3 you should always get. And everything, all the formula of trigonometry are based on these 3 sides. You have to find a ratio, so hypotenuse divided by adjacent, or opposite divided by hypotenuse. That way, you know, you can find lot of ratios, and you can find altogether 6 ratios. 6. And these ratios are named, I'll be showing you. So you please remember, see, everything is concentrated with the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, there are 3 angles, all of you know, and there are 3 sides. One is hypotenuse, all of you know, one is adjacent side, other is opposite side. Hypotenuse, you know, the angle opposite to that is a hypotenuse. Right angle side opposite to the right angle of a right angle triangle, the side opposite to the right angle is hypotenuse, and opposite, and one more opposite, and another is, it can be, you know, any angle. You can find these ratios with any angle. There are 3 angles now, you can find with any angles. But we should remember there are 3 sides. One is hypotenuse, one is adjacent. I'll be showing you in picture, opposite. The ratio between these sides on the angle between them is called trigonometry ratio. So ratio between sides, 2, 2 you take and make ratio. Those are trigonometric ratios. Trigonometry, again I have repeated here, is a branch of mathematics. It focuses on the relationship between sides and angles of a right angle triangle. Please remember, relation between sides and angle. One angle, two sides, and that relation, that is trigonometry, actually. And there are varieties. I'll be showing you. Consequently, trigonometric ratios are determined based on these sides and angles, three sides, three angles, that we can find lot of ratios. Those ratios are actually named differently as per Greek alphabet and all, and that Greek language and all. And those things have been followed long back, since long back. Now also we follow, and don't get confused with the particular. You have understood this is a ratio only, but these ratios are named with the peculiar words. Those words I'm showing you, and you have to use those words only. You cannot change it. But inside the meaning, inner meaning is that, there's a relation between sides and angles. Three sides, three angles, as many as relationship you can find. Those relationships, those ratios are termed differently. I'm showing you now. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios, dear students. Number 1 is sine. Sine is sine. In short, you write sin. Short. Then cosine. Cosine is written as cos. CS cos. These are the 6 ratios, trigonometric ratios. Remember, how it is made? Based on 3 sides and 3 angles. 6 ratios can be found, and these are the 6 ratios. These are the names. Please remember, please commit to memory also. These are the things. And there are lots of problems, solution, all these things are encircling around all these 6 ratios. And see how it is named. Number 1 is sine, sine. Cosine is known as cos. Tangent, in short it is tan. Cotangent is known as cot. Cosecant, cosec. Secant, sec. That way, you remember, there are 6 in a trigonometry ratios. Sine, cos, let it go by shortcut. Sine, cos, tan, cot, cosec, sec. Now we can say, if you take theta, I told you about theta, we can say sine theta. We shall know the formula. What is sine theta formula? I shall tell you. But now you can say this way: sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosec theta, sec theta. You can find this way. And with this, these ratios also, there are some relations. I'll be showing you that. Once you understand these things, you will find it is very interesting. There are certain top things are very interesting if you understand. And nothing is impossible, dear students. Nothing is impossible. If you have dedication, if you have determination and perseverance, if you study regularly. So these are the formula. Let me show you. Find this is sine theta. See, all 6 formula I have given. Take this triangle. The triangle is, I think it's, hope you can see this, ABO. The angle left side, you see O, and AB2. A is the right angle triangle, and side opposite to right angle triangle is hypotenuse. This is OB. OB is hypotenuse, and opposite, this angle 0 is, O is the angle opposite this angle, perpendicular is the opposite, and the baseline is adjacent. OA or AO, or say this is adjacent line, this is opposite line, and this is hypotenuse. Please remember this much. You draw a right angle triangle and remember which side is said which what. So you remember, this is the angle I've taken, this is right angle, and this angle I'm talking about, and the side opposite to this angle is this AB or BA, we can say. This is opposite, known as opposite. And this is right angle, that opposite is hypotenuse. And this is the angle, and this line is adjacent. So these 2 lines, you have to find ratios that I'm showing you. If it is sine theta, then opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite means AB by OB. AB by OB. This is fixed formula. You have to learn it. Sine theta is always opposite by hypotenuse. Whatever the value of hypotenuse you put below, whatever value of opposite you put here, and you should get the value of sine theta in any problem. But for the time being, you remember this formula you have to learn, please. Sine theta means what? Opposite by hypotenuse. You have to understand what is opposite. You have to understand what is hypotenuse. Then make this ratio. Sin theta ho gaya. Then cos theta. Cos theta adjacent by hypotenuse. So this is adjacent. Take this value and hypotenuse this value and make the ratio. It will be cos theta. The tan theta. Tan theta is coming opposite by adjacent. This is the opposite. This is adjacent. If you find this ratio, it will be tan theta. Dear students, if you learn only three formula, you can make 6 formula. Remember, please, just if you learn only 3 formula, you can learn 6 formula. Let me tell you the technique. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. You learn only these 3. Other things will be coming. See, sin theta and cosec theta is having some connection. Sin theta, whatever is it, the cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta. Cosec theta is opposite, 1 by sin theta is cos theta. If you know the value of sin theta, you can find cosec theta. So it is gone, it's coming. Yeah. So sin theta, you know the formula, and you find the value of sin theta, there you can find the value of cos theta. Whatever is the value of sin theta, cosec theta will be 1 by that. Suppose sin theta is 30, then cosec theta will be 1 by 30. See, 1 by sin. Similarly, cos theta, its opposite is sec theta. If you know cos theta, you can find sec theta. Cos theta value equal to sec theta 1 by cos theta. So these things is you have to remember. So sec theta 1 by cos theta. Sec theta means 1 by cos theta. So if you know cos theta, you can find sec theta. Because whatever value of cos theta, sec theta will be 1 by that value, 1 by cos. You understood. Similarly, if you know value of tan theta, you can find cot theta, cot theta. How? Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. If you know the value, whatever value, then you can find cot theta, it will be 1 by tan theta. You know the value of tan theta, and in case of cot theta, you write 1 by that value, you'll get the value of cot theta. So you have find something you're finding easy, that if you know only 3 formula learn nicely, and then another 6 you can make opposite 1 by like that. You need not commit to memory 6 formula. You learn this way. Please learn this way. Let me go ahead. And this you remember, generally you remember, I have given earlier also some formula relationship with one another. Sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta. I have shown just now also sec theta 1 upon cos theta. Same thing I'm showing it here again, but some other points I'll be showing. These are very interesting. These are proved by research and mathematics. These are proved. And if you anytime want to prove, you can prove some formula, the relationship with one angle with one ratio with another ratio. Sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta, you know. Cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta. See, cos theta equal to 1 by sin theta, then sin theta equal to 1 by cos theta. It will be opposite. See, I'm showing you sin theta, cosec theta 1 by sin theta, and it will be opposite. Then cosec theta 1 by sin theta. Tan theta, here I gave one formula, cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta, but another formula, tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. You know the value of sin theta, you know the value of cos theta, you can find tan theta. So if these values are given, this you have to learn, dear students. Practice will help you to remember, don't worry. Just concentration is necessary. Tan theta, sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. This formula you have to learn. The cot theta is 1 by tan theta. I have shown earlier also. Cot theta is 1 by tan theta. So I put it again. Cot theta is 1 by tan theta. And if that can be proved, that cot theta is also equal to cos theta by sin theta. Like now you see tan and cot, you connect. In case of tan theta, it is sin theta by cos theta. But in case of cot theta, it's cos theta by sin theta. So tan theta is opposite to cot theta. You see the value of tan theta, it is sin theta by cos theta. See the value of cot theta is opposite cos theta by sin theta. And tan theta minus cos theta is always 1. This is it's proved by ratio, by experimentation. Tan theta minus cot theta equal to 1. You may be given some value, you can find out that, but it's already proved. And sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is 1. You can see sin squared theta. Some shade is there. Remember, sin squared theta plus cos squared theta. Sin and cos square. Sin squared theta plus cos squared theta it always comes 1 round. And sec square theta minus tan square theta also comes 1. This can be proved, dear students. And cosec square theta minus cot square theta also 1. So we can learn some formula which is coming always 1. That you can make, you can write and put hanging in your study table or in your wall, something, so that you can remember when you see regularly and practice, you can remember. Tan theta minus cot theta is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is also 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is also 1. So let's go ahead. And these are the values you have to remember. These are all proved values. These values are proved by experimentation. We can also prove, but at least we should learn these things. We can remember these things. And then based on this formula, we shall go for practical problems. I'm talking about how to learn it. See, this is sine A. This is sine A. These are all angles. These are all angles. These are all values. Say sine. Sine 30 degree. If sine is 30 degree, all these are angles, no? If sine is 30 degree, value is 1 by 2. If sine is 45 degree, value is 1 by root 2. If sine is 60 degree, value is root 3 by, I don't know how you'll remember, but you have to learn these things. You can, everything is possible, dear students. Sine 60 degree, it is root 3 by 2. Sine 90 degrees 1. Now take his cos. Cos 0. Oh, I didn't tell 0, no? Sine 0 is 0. Sine 0 degree 0. Cos 0 degrees 1. Cos 30 degrees root 3 by 3. Cos 45 degree 1 by 2. Same. Cos 60 degree 1 by 2. It was 1 by root 2. Cos 90 degrees 0. Tan 0 degrees 0. Tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3. Tan 45 degrees 1. Tan 60 degrees root 3. Tan 90 degrees, this is, infinity. Then cot 0 is infinity. Cot 30 degree is root 3. Cot, and first 3, if you know, other things you can find easily. I told you that. Cot 30 degrees 1 by 3. Cot 45 is 1. Cot 60 degrees 1 by 3. Cot 90 degrees 0. Then sec theta. Sec 0 degrees 1. Sec 30 degrees 2 by root 3. Sec 45 is root 2. Sec 60 degrees 2. Sec 90 degrees, again infinity. Cosec. Cosec 0 degrees, infinity. Cosec 30 degrees, 2. Cosec 45 degrees, root 2. Cosec 60 degrees, 2 by 3. Cosec 90 degrees, 1. So first 3, sine, cos, tan, if you know this value, dear students, there is some technique of everything. If you know sine, cos, tan, these 3, you can find it opposite. You'll find it. So these are the techniques you have to learn, and it seems to be very tough, but once you are accustomed using, you can remember it, and with practice will help you. So this is my small PPT about the basics of trigonometry. I explained you theta, how theta has come. What is theta? It's the 8th letter of Greek alphabet. I told you. I have, by the way, I have told you all that there are 24 letters in the Greek alphabet, and most of the letters are used in statistics and mathematics. In higher studies, in college, university research, you should find those things also. And I have also explained you that there are altogether 6 ratios: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. And if you know the formula of sine, cos, tan, you can find the formula of cot, sec, cosec. This I have told you. And these values, constant, these values you have to put here, no? These are constant, proved. Like H2O is water, like that, these are proved. Any case, in any situation, this will be correct. So let us learn these things, and little practice will help you. Practice one after another. We should go into the depth of it, and next video will be coming with more topics. You can, if you need any particular topic, especially, you can send me message in the chat box, and please subscribe my channel and like and share this class with other friends, and so that they can also get the benefit. So thank you very much. God bless you. And stay blessed always, stay happy always, and stay fit always. Take care of your health also, because health matters most. Physical fitness is a must. And thank you very much. Love you all. Children, love you all. Thank you very much.